In this video, we will review Quicken Classic Business and Personal. Quicken Classic Personal and Business is a versatile personal finance tool for small and medium-sized businesses that combines the functionality of Quicken's personal finance features with tools designed for managing business finance. The software allows users to track personal spending, create budgets and plan for retirement, while also helping small business owners manage invoices, track expenses and handle business rates. The dual focus approach makes it ideal for many individuals who need both personal and financial and business all in one platform. It integrates with bank accounts, credit cards, loans and more, offering a comprehensive view of your financial activity. However, the business features are somewhat limited compared to small, dedicated softwares. Some users find that the interface is a bit clustered, while it excels in providing basic personal finance. Quicken Classic Business may not be the best fit for larger businesses that require more advanced features, such as payroll management. Overall, it's a solid choice for individuals or small businesses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.